Hi guys, welcome back. I'm Shrikant Idam. So today I'm going to explain you how to attach extra volume to your instance. So once you log in your console, click on services, select EC2 under compute. Now click on launch instance. So as I said earlier, you can find all the AMI machines. Here you have Linux, Mac and Windows Server related operating system. We will select 2016 operating system here. Select. Now click on next. Scroll down. Yes, it's enabled. So by default you will have 30 GB of storage space, and if you need more storage space you have to pay for it. Click on the add volume. I'm giving you 20 GB here. So here we have different types of volume, and magnetic standard, it is the cheapest one. We will select this one and select delete on termination. So when we delete the instance, it will also get deleted. Okay, now click on add tags. Select the existing group. So this one I selected last time. So I'm selecting the latest one. Click on review on launch. So you can see here your instance configuration is not eligible for the free usage tier because I selected the extra storage. That's fine. Click on launch. We are going to use the existing key pair. Win key 1. Acknowledge. Click on launch instance. Click on view instance. Now our instance is showing in pending status. Click on refresh. So it will take some time. Come on. 2016 extend 16 ext volume. Save. Refresh. Select here and click on the storage. So let's see if we can find our volume, extra volume which we have given here. Yes, 20 GB it is here. On the left side, click on the volume. Here we can find two volumes. And go to our instance. It's loading. So as I explained earlier, you can find all the details of your instance ID, public IP address, VPC ID, security details, networking details, CPU memory details. Click one more time on refresh. It's still loading. Okay. So status check is completed. Click on the refresh. Select. Click on connect. RDP. So input the password. Decrypt it. Copy the password. Save it in a notepad. You can download shortcut for your instance, or else you can copy this public DNS ID. I'm going to delete the old one. Click on cancel. So we are going to RDP into it. Copy. So let me copy it again. Connect. So enter the password. Enter. Try one more time. Cancel this one. Let's try from here. Yes. So we have to wait. It will load all the configuration settings. Now we will check our volumes. Go to my computer. This. I see only 30 GB. So let's go to the disk management. is here. Let's bring it online. Initialize the disk. Click on OK. Create a simple volume. I'm going to use all the space. Assign the drive later. Select the volume type. Finish. Here we can see two volumes here, but if you want to create extra volume, attach extra volume manually, how to do it? Go to EC2, scroll down, click on volume, so create volume, select the size. I'm going to select 50 GB. I'm going to select magnetic, select the region, availability zone. No, I'm not going to use snapshot ID anything. I'm not going to encrypt this volume. Create volume. Done. So let's wait. You can check your volume ID here and the availability zone, size of the volume, and when it was created. So it is done. We can click on refresh one more time, and if you check the state of the volume, it is showing available, not in use. So what we have to do is we have to attach this volume to your instance. Select the volume and click on actions, select attach volume. Okay, now give your instance type. So why we are not seeing this? Because our instance is present in US East 1E availability zone, and we have created volume in 1A. So what we are going to do is we will delete this volume and create a new one. Done. So it is done. Click on attach volume. We can find our instance, attach it. Now you can see the state, it is showing in use. We are using volume type magnetic, that's the reason it is not showing IOPS. Click on refresh. It is completed. Now go to your instance, go to the disk management, So when you at the bottom you can see 50 GB volume. Right click on it, bring it online. Again right click on it, initialize disk, yes, and right click on the volume, click on new simple volume. You can create multiple disk if you want to divide the space, but I'm going to use all the space. Click on next, assign the drive letter, format, finish. So it's loading. Done. Now close this. We got our 3 volumes here. So this is how you create extra volume manually and attach it in your instance. Now we are going to delete our instance. So it doesn't matter what storage you are using. If you're not going to delete it, you're going to get charged for it. So you have to make sure about it. Select instance, click on terminate. So we have terminated the instance. Now go to the volume, click on refresh. See, the storage will get deleted after 1 hour. Okay, in case if it's not getting deleted, you have to select the volume here, click on actions and delete volume. Now it is not highlighted because the instance is getting deleted. In case if the once instance gets deleted, even if the volume is showing here, then you can click on actions and click on delete volume. It will be highlighted. Thank you guys. We will meet you next class.